Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you that how you can use chat GPT to make money online. Now in this video I will explain you or tell you about the three different ways. Basically there are more ways, but these are the three popular ways right now. Okay, so the first one is YouTube. Okay, if you have a YouTube channel, or if you are starting to launch a YouTube channel, you can use this tool to actually automate your work. Okay, let's suppose that if you are starting a facts channel, okay, so you can ask it to write a script for you. You don't have to worry about the scripts anymore. You just ask from it, like uh, write me uh, 200 words YouTube script on 5 random facts around the world, and you will hit enter, and it will actually write a YouTube script for you. You just have to wait and watch. So now as you can see that it's starting writing a YouTube script for you. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to take a look at 5 random facts from around the world that you might not have heard of before. First, you know that the deepest post box in the world is located in Susami Bay, Japan. It's located 10 meters underwater and can be reached. So now it's actually writing a very good YouTube video script for you. What you're gonna have to do, actually, you just have to copy this script, and if you want you can do your own voice over on it, and you can add relevant pictures and videos regarding to these names, and your YouTube video is done. You can just upload them, and when your channel when your YouTube channel will get monetized, you will earn money. So the second method is blogging. Okay, like if you have a website or if you have a blog, you can earn money from it. So let's suppose that your blog is about how to make money online. So you will type this, write me 250 words blog post on how to make money online, and like this is your keyword. Okay, so you will hit enter, and it will write the 250 words blog post on how to make money online. So now here, as you can see, that it is writing the blog post for our website. So this is the second method. You can when it's done you can actually just copy this from here and paste into your website. So the third method is content writing. So content writing is also a good way to earn money online, especially if you have your own website, or if you are a freelancer on Upwork or any other freelancing websites. So what you will do from here is you will ask from it, do content writing of about 100 words on cats species. And let's hit enter, and now it will actually do the content writing on this topic called cats species. So you just have to copy this from here, and you can, if you are working for any client online, you can just copy this from here. Of course you can check this for any kind of mistakes, and then you can just copy this from here, and if you have your own site you can paste it there, and if you are working for any client you can just send them. So these are the three top ways that how you can make money online with chat GPT. So if you like this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.